Yeah, you're welcome here. This question is West Africa Senior School Certificate Examination, June 2023, are the same as WAEC 2023. And the question said Mr. Mahmoud is 4 times as old as his son Hadu. 7 years ago, the sum of their ages was 76 years. How old is Hadu? Now, that is the question that we need to find the solution for it. But before you can find the solution, you have to understand the question very well. Right. Now let's proceed. I have solution. Now, what you need to do here is word problems. So you need to assign a variable to represent their ages. Right. Now let A be equal to Hadu's age. Right. Now, as we don't know the Hadu's age, but the question says Mr. Mamron is 4 times as old as his son. Now, you see that Mr. Mamron is 4 times his son age, right? And we see that Hadu's age, which is his son, is A, right? Then, Mr. Mamron's age now will be equal to 4A. Why? Because his son is A. And the question say is 4 times as old as his son, right? Hadu, right? Second sentence says 7 years ago, right? 7 years ago. Now, the 7 years ago, the sum of their ages was 76 years, right? Now, 7 years ago, their ages will be Mr. Marmu's age will be equal to 4A minus 7, and Adu's age will be equal to A minus 7, right? Now, the sum of their ages now was 76 years. That was 7 years ago. Now, the sum of their ages have equal to 76, right? Now, when we had their ages, now the result will be equal to 76, right? Now, let's open this bracket. We open the bracket. We have 4A minus 7 plus A minus 7 equal to 76. Now, we're collecting the like terms. Now, we have 4A plus A equal to 76 plus 7 plus 7. So you see this 7 is a negative 7 here. When it crosses to the right hand side of equality, it become a positive, right? Now, we have 4A plus A equal to 5A, and 76 plus 7 plus 7 equal to 90. Now let's divide both sides by 5 for this 5 to eliminate out, right? Divide both sides by 5. So this 5 we cancel, and 90 divided by 5 it will be equal to 18. Now we see the options that we have. Which one is the correct option? We see that option C is the right option. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.